As Florida residents recover from hurricanes Milton and Helene, experts say the damage will likely worsen the home insurance crisis in the state and could lead to higher rates nationwide. In today's Money Watch, CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger looks at how these climate-driven events could affect your pocketbook. Jill, good morning.
Good morning.
So let's jump right into it. Even before these storms, homeowners insurance premiums were up by more than 50%. What explains that?
Well, there's two factors. One is that home prices have gone up by so much. And then also, of course, the inflationary surge means home rebuilding costs a lot more. Add to that climate change. Those events are so frequent now. And the insurance company said, in order to actually insure people properly, we have to raise the premiums. And that accounts for this massive 50% increase across the board.
Okay, so you mentioned that frequency. So how should homeowners consider that when buying a home when it comes to these climate events?
I think what's important is to understand the risks that exist. You know, there's the four basic parts of someone's payment is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance.
Yep.
That insurance component is now 9.4% of the total payment. It was up from 7.7%. It's about a quarter of mortgage payments now going forward for these high-risk areas. So Zillow's introduced a new tool that actually lets you account for these climate risks while you are searching for a home.
Okay.
You should be very clear that these 5 risks can make the cost of insurance go up, and it also means you might have to pay out of pocket for these costs.
Take advantage of the tool, get an estimate, right?
Indeed.
What role can the government play?
I think the government could expand the federal insurance program for floods, but also these state programs. There's a last resort insurer in many states like Florida. They're going to have to beef this up. They've got 1.2 million homeowners in Florida that they're insuring as the last resort. That's up from 500,000 just a few years ago.
Real quick.
Yes.
What happens to that Florida market? It's very appealing.
It is. It's weather, it's taxes, but it's going to cost a lot of money to be there. So just account for that when you're looking at the houses and the condos there.
Dollar Jill, we appreciate you. Thank you so much.